Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to use Extrude Boss in SolidWorks. We'll learn it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File, select New, select Part and select OK. Now go to Front Plane and Sketch. Now select here Plane White. Now draw the circle here to circle from origin. Now give the dimension circle dimension 24. Okay. Now again this circle dimension 40. Okay. Now draw the circle here. Now give the dimension this circle dimension 54. Okay. This point and this point distance 42. Okay. Now go to this point, control this point, horizontal. Now draw the line here, select. Okay. Now draw the line here, select. Okay. Now, go to again here, circle draw. This circle dimension 10. Okay. Now go to slot draw. Now select here. Okay. Now this point control this point horizontal. Now this point control this point horizontal. Now this arc dimension 5. Okay. Now this point control this point vertical. Just move here. Okay. Now this circle and this slot distance 5. Okay. This point control this point coincident. Okay. Now I am going to draw center line here. Now go to select trim tools, haircut. Okay. Now go to fillet. Here select for this line and this line. Okay. This line and this line. Okay. Now go to select, change this line, mirror. Now select here, this select and this circle about a center line. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude. Now here select extrude and select. Now you can select first extrude this from mid plane. Now select below 20. Okay. Now go to again here extrude. Now select and select 10 from mid plane. Okay. Now go to fillet here. Now give the value to 2 or 1 as you wish. 1. Okay. Now select here fillet and here same value. This face, this face. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now here select shaded. Now here select plane height. Now select materials. Select metal. Metal select. Metal select. Now here select cast lead. Okay. Go to isometric view. Okay. Make our job. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If you have any ask you can write comment box.